Welcome to Architecture 201 Cluster Administration course agenda and overview. We have 6 great modules followed by lectures and demonstrations, tons of hands-on practice where we will go over planning a deployment, setting up our cluster for our indexers, making them search peers. We'll get highly familiar with configuration settings both on the back end and through the CLI and through Splunk Web. We'll learn all the commands to master multi-site deployments. We'll go over how to handle the cluster, forwarder management, enabling indexer discovery, and of course, all the slides will be in there, including a section on search head clustering. Hope to see you there in Architecture 201 Cluster Administration.